Hey everyone, I'm Jody Bader.
And I'm Sarah Martinez. We're Project Lad consultants and trainers from Washington State. Welcome to this short video tutorial on using a Project Lad strategy online. As you watch, feel free to reach out and connect with us or get some more tips from our website. You'll see the link below, nextstepsprojectlad.com. Enjoy.
Hey everyone, today we're talking about how to do your mind map online. The two things that you're going to need for this lesson are your pictorial and your mind map, and we'll be using Popplet for that. So I'm going to go ahead and create the Popplet with you, and then we're going to get started with the how-to of this online lesson. So here I am on the Popplet dashboard. I'm going to create a new Popplet, enter the name of it. I'm going to be doing using my pictorial of the Statue of Liberty. I can choose a color if I want, but I'm not going to get that fancy today. And now I have a blank board. I'm double clicking in the middle to get my middle bubble for my mind map and put some text in there. Because this is the main topic, I'm going to make sure that the text is kind of large. And we're going to be working with the Statue of Liberty. This is from our American Symbols unit, and we had other symbols as well in this unit. I'm going to also, before I work with the students, I'm also going to have the mind map already created with the categories. So double click to get your other categories. Let's make this middle size font. We had description. Pulling over on one of the side circles will help you connect the category with the main topic. The Popplet is moving around on the board because it's anticipating that we're going to be adding some more spokes and bubbles to our mind map, but just go with it and it'll all fill in. Okay, now that I have the Popplet created and ready for the lesson, I'm going to switch over to my pictorial, which is what you're going to start with when you're working with your students. This is a lesson that you're going to be doing synchronously with your students, and you're going to prepare to have them in breakout rooms. In the regular classroom, you're going to have them up front on the carpet. They're not really in teams. When you indicate what part of the pictorial they're going to be talking about, you would just simply prompt them, turn and talk about this section. So your breakout rooms can be random. Now we'll review the information with our students. You'll prompt the students to take a look at one of the sections, say description, review the information in the green parts of the pictorial. Send them off to their breakout rooms. It's a good idea to have this pictorial somewhere handy for them to reference as they're having their conversations. Give them a certain amount of time for that. And then when you bring them back, then you will have switched to the Popplet view. All right, boys and girls, we started with description. What can you tell me about the description of the Statue of Liberty? Now, it's up to you and your comfort level how they're going to be reporting out. You could have them type it in the chat box. You could have them unmute themselves and choral call. And that's the way that we do it in the regular classroom. So choral calling would be fine. So to add a new bubble, I'm just double clicking on the background. I'll make this font the smallest since it is our facts. And one of the pieces of the description was that she was holding a tablet. You could put all of the descriptions in one box or link the boxes. Switch to the next category. Let's talk about symbolizes. Send them off to the breakout rooms to discuss and then back to fill in the Popplet. For this set of facts, let's just put them all in one box. You can also add a photo or a video link. Once you've gone through the process and your mind map is complete, go up to the Settings tab and you can print or export a PDF and share it with the students so they all have their own copy, or maybe post it in a Google Doc or in your classroom somewhere. And that is how to do the mind map online with Popplet.